So we will get what? X is equal to minus b. Minus b is nothing but we'll get 4 root 3. Minus into minus will get plus, okay. Plus or minus will get b square minus 4ac value, you just got 0. You know here you got 0, right? So 0 whole divided by 2 into a is nothing but 2 into 3. We will get 6. Finally, we will get the direct answer. Now we will write what is the answer? X is equal to 4 root 3 divided by 6. You can cancel it. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Answer you will get x is equal to 2 root 3 by 3 and x is equal to 2 root 3 by 3. Both same root we got or no? We got same root because b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Same root. Okay. 2 times you should write down this root. Next question. Improve the speed now. You can take this homework. You can take this one homework. Yeah, Divyarani, whenever you get a real roots, you need to find out those roots. Real root. Either if you get a 0 or if you get any positive number, you should find out the roots. Okay. If you get negative answer, there is no real root. When no real root, there is no need to simplify. No need to find out the roots. If you get 0, that is called real root. 0 is real root. Positive value is real root. Then you should find out the roots by using formula. If you want to practice it easy one, then this you can try. It is easier. This is tough one little. So I will go for this question. Shall I start this? So here a is equal to 3 understood, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1 by 3. Apply the discriminant b square minus 4ac. B square is minus 2 square minus 4 into 3 into 1 by 3. 3 will get cancelled, remaining in minus 2 square, 4 minus 4, 0. So you will write 2 equal real roots. If you get a real root, then you should find out that root by using the formula. X is equal to minus b by 2a. Direct formula you can use this. Whenever you get b square minus 4ac 0, you can use this formula because this part will get 0. Okay. Okay. So x is equal to minus b by 2a. Minus b is nothing but 2. 2a is nothing but 6. 2 3s are 6, right? So what the answer? 2 1s are 2 3s are. Finish. So therefore x is equal to 1 by 3 and x is equal to 1 by 3. Tax over. Very good. One who got, congratulations boys and girls. Let's go to fifth sum. Who got? Very good. Let's see who will get this one. Textbook questions already we did it. First, second and third was textbook. Now these are outside. Let's see who will get this one. Very good, Suman. Very good. Congrats, man. This is easier. Everyone can try. Even which I gave homework, that also you can complete now only. Yes, Prasanna, your answer looks right answer. The third one which I gave the homework, very fast you are, Prasanna. Third one is easier, even you can try that. Let's see who will get first this answer. Let's see who will get first this answer. No, Varsha, sorry. So this is LCM is x square, okay. So here into 1, 2 1s are 2 minus 5x. plus 2x square is equal to 0. Now you cross multiply. This cross multiply, you will get 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So this is what the equation you got. Now you can go with b square minus 4ac is equal to. What is b square by here? Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 2. So b square is nothing but minus 5 square, 4 into 2 into 2. We will get 25 minus 8 to the 16. So 25 minus 16, how much we'll get? So we got b square minus 4ac is equal to 9. So this is a positive value. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So we should write what? Two distinct real roots. So as you got real roots, so you should find out those roots. Very good, Arfat. So I will find out those roots now. I know the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Very simple, yeah. X is equal to minus b means I know I will get plus 5 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Just now only we simplified b square minus 4ac value. What is the value of b square minus 4ac? 9. So directly substitute that value into that in the place of b square minus 4ac. Just write down the 9 here. Divide by 2 into a value is 2. So 2 to the 2 into 2 write down. Next step we will write 4. Okay. Simple now. X is equal to 5 plus or minus 3. Root 9 means 3 divided by 4. So you write x is equal to 1 time 5 plus 3 divided by 4. Another time you take negative value, x is equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 4. So you will get x is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 4 will get 2. 4 to the 8. And another answer is 5 minus 3, 2. 2 will nothing but 2 by 4, nothing but 1 by 2. Finish. Understood? Understood? Haripriya understood? Haripriya understood? Kirti understood? Suman understood? Abdul Rahman एक बार भी नहीं reply करे. Afifa understood? Arfat, Bhavna, Bhumi not replied. Vinay understood? Vaishnavi understood? Jyoti understood? Manikanta understood? Sai Kiran understood? Umar, Zoya understood? Right. So I will give the homework now. You can try. If you practice more, see, answer you will get surely. Now, whether you will improve your speed or not, that will be important.